So, hello everyone, welcome to my new gaming vlog. We are going to play Subway. So for now, let's go. Okay. Let's yeah. Here. Now let's play. One. Let's play. Okay, wait. Let's see this. Oh. Yay! 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 I'm gonna take this. Okay, and then I took this. Okay, we cannot get it. Let's go. Here. Okay, go. Let's play. 3, 2, 1, get. Oh, I started before 3, 2, 1. And then. This time I won't lose. So let's go. Oh, wait. That was nice, but I really don't want to lose this game. This time I liked running on the train because I don't like it. Let's go. I need coins. Okay, wait. I need to go. I'm going in the middle. I'm going to the middle of the house. What is this? Okay, the coins is finished. Let's go. Oh, wait. Oh! Because of you, I was going to be out. No, I need to jump. Okay. Again. Oh, I won't be out. Because I am a good girl. Oh, no, that's a football. What should I do with the foot? Oh, wait. I need to go first. Oh, no. Ooh. Oh! I was just going to be out. Oh! I didn't see the train. Oh! God saved me. Oh my God! Ooh, I had this skateboard. That's why I saved. But don't tell me in the comment that if I played skateboard and if I be out, like that's not anything about playing. Don't tell me that. Don't at all. Tell me that thing. Oh! So please guys, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So many of you didn't like, share and subscribe to my channel. So please do it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!